Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. And today I wanted to make this video to give you guys an update on how the OnePlus 12 has been treating me. I'm going to call this my 3-month update, 3 months later, but my review was actually a little less than 3 months ago, but that's okay. I have been dailying this phone ever since my review, and I've had a couple people ask me in the comments if I've had any sort of bugs, and so I wanted to make this video to let you guys know my usage with this phone and my experience. So this case here, I will put it in the description. It is a Spigen case. I'm not sure the exact one right off, but I will find it on Amazon and link it to you guys. I've had this on it since I've got it. I don't like to rock my phones naked, as they say. And other than, this pre-installed kind of protective film on the device, I have not installed any other screen protector myself. I guess the first thing I should answer here for everyone is, how do I use this device? How have I used this device? And the honest answer to you guys is, I use my phone just like most other people, right? It's media consumption on YouTube. It's texting people on Messenger. Every now and then, it's through the Messages app. Phone calls, picture taking. You can see down here, I've actually replaced the Chrome browser with Samsung browser, and that's because I can put my web pages in full dark mode, which makes it easier for me to see. But I actually still have Chrome on here when the Samsung browser is just a little bit wonky. But so my experience with this phone, the only bugs that come to mind that I've had, one of them has been pretty much fixed with the latest update to the OnePlus, which was, I think, a few weeks ago at this point. If we tap on this, let's see, is it under... So as of a few weeks ago, the latest update for the OnePlus 12 is 14.0.0.802. And some of the fixes in that were with the fingerprint sensor, with a Bluetooth connectivity bug, which I was having. It wasn't terrible, but what was happening is I would connect my earbuds and the quality would just be absolutely awful, and the only fix was to restart my phone. I'm not entirely sure if that's been fixed because I've not used Bluetooth very much in the last few weeks. If it doesn't see my face here, the fingerprint sensor is... I gotta block it from seeing my face. The fingerprint sensor is quite a bit faster than before this latest update, and so I really like that they did that. Also, they changed around the brightness sliders, so now you have a brightness slider and a volume slider, and they're vertical, whereas before, if you go back and watch my review, it was basically you had two large tiles up here side by side, and you just had your quick toggles, and you had a horizontal brightness slider below your quick toggles here. So I do actually like this change that they've made. The only thing I find myself doing is when I'm trying to tap to slide, quite often I hit the little icon there for auto brightness. Not sure if you guys can see that, but if you tap that, now you can quickly enable auto brightness. So I find myself doing that quite often, but that's not a bug. That's just kind of a user error on my part. The only other bug I've had besides the Bluetooth connectivity is every now and then the global search. So if you tap the search icon down here at the bottom, every now and then it will just be blank and not let me search anything. It'll just be completely blank, like I'm not even doing anything. And so I have to swipe up to go to recent tasks and exit out of it and then try again. That one happens rather frequently, so that's still not fixed yet, but it's not often enough to really annoy me. But I use my phone like most other people. I have edited and rendered numerous videos on this phone, so that's really the only time the phone gets warm. I know I've had people ask me in my review about, does the phone get warm? Has there been any cellular connectivity issues or Wi-Fi? I've had nothing like that. In my day-to-day use, even if I'm connected to cellular and streaming a video, which typically will make your phone just slightly warm, this one has not had any issues. I love the display. It gets very bright. I love the alert slider that OnePlus does. And I hope the rumors are not true that on the OnePlus 13 they are going to remove wireless charging again. That would be quite a bummer, because with the OnePlus 11, it didn't have it. They brought it back here with the OnePlus 12. So it would be quite a bummer if they removed it again on the OnePlus 13. It really wouldn't make much sense. I have also shot numerous videos for the channel on the OnePlus 12, and I've also taken photos of, family events and things like that. So, not a camera that absolutely tops the charts by any means, but it's definitely a good camera, especially for the price of the OnePlus 12. So 3 months later, I'm really loving the OnePlus 12. I'm going to continue to use it, potentially upgrade to the OnePlus 13 when that comes out, and you guys can expect a review on that. So I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions or want to let me know about your experience with the OnePlus 12 or any other OnePlus device, feel free to do so down in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.